Good day, everyone. We are the group journalists, and today we'll be presenting our final project for HCI2 titled Journalist Cloud. Journalist Cloud is a simple journaling web application designed to help users in their daily thoughts and moods. It's now upgraded with a Firebase cloud integration, which means all your notes are stored safely online. Our team is composed of me, Carl Kadag as the co-designer, Daryl Bulan, our documentation and presentation lead, and Giler Olario, our web developer and programmer.
When we open Journal is Cloud, you see a clean and organized homepage with our title. Journal is Cloud, now with Firebase integration. Below that, we have the daily inspiration section that displays a random motivational quote each time you open the site. The next section is the add a new journal entry form. Here the user can input a title, select your mode, and type their thoughts. Once they click Save Entry, the note is automatically stored in our Firebase real-time database. You can also delete, edit any entry. When deleting a confirmation, models appears to prevent mistakes. In the journal dashboard, user can view all their saved notes. Each entry includes its date and mood emoji. The dashboard also allows searching by title and filtering by date, making it easy to find old entries. Lastly, we added a dim customizer with light, dark, and calm modes, designed to improve user comfort in much different preference. For the backend, we use Firebase real-time database, which store all journal entries in the cloud. Every time a user adds, edits, or deletes a note, the change happens instantly and is visible online in real time, even if the page is reloaded.
Good day everyone, I'm Gilio Orlario, the web developer and programmer of Team Journal Is. For my part, I'll be explaining how our system works, focusing on the HTML structure, the CSS design, and most importantly, the JavaScript code that connects our website to Powerbase as our backend. Let's begin with the HTML. The HTML serves as the main structure of our Journal Is cloud system. It includes the header, the daily quotes, the journal entry form, the dashboard, where all notes are displayed, and the theme switcher below. We also added important modules, one for deleting notes and another for viewing notes in full screen like Google Keep. Next, the CSS defines the overall appearance and user experience. It uses clean and minimalist design with car-style layouts, rounded corners, and smooth hover animation. We also included 3 customization themes like dark and calm, light, and so users can personalize the interface. The design stays readable, organized, and comfortable to use across all themes. Our JavaScript file is responsible for the handling all the logic of Journal is web app, from saving data to Firebase showing entries, editing, deleting, and filtering. So the Firebase configuration, this part connects our project to Firebase. We include our Firebase credential like API, project ID, and the database URL link our website to the online database where all journal entries are stored. We use a single pattern to keep all our functions are organized inside one main app instance called journal app. It helps avoid repeating variables and keeps the code modular and clean. In this section, we connect our JavaScript to HTML elements like the input form, button mode selector, and list of journal entries so we can update or read their values dynamically. We also added search and data filter inputs. This lets users quickly find specific journal entries based on their title or the date they were written. This section handles the modals, small pop-up windows, and used to confirm actions like deleting an entry or viewing a note in detail. This is the core of the backend connection. We use Firebase onValue function to listen for any changes in the database. Whenever a user adds, edits, or deletes a notes, Firebase automatically updates the data and reflects those changes instantly on our website. This function converts the saved dates into a consistent format, which is useful for filtering entries accurately when a data is selected. This is the core of the backend connection. We use Firebase onValue function to listen for any changes in the database. Whenever a user adds, edits, or deletes a notes, Firebase automatically updates the data and reflects those changes instantly on our website. This function converts the saved dates into a consistent format, which is useful for filtering entries accurately when a data is selected. Here, users can change the website theme to light, dark, or calm. It saves the user's theme reference using local storage, so it stays the same even after reloading the page. This function displays mood emojis beside each note, helping users quickly identify the emotion behind every journal entry. Finally, a journal app runs as soon as the page finishes loading, initializing all functions and making the app interactive immediately. And that completes the JavaScript section of our project, where all the main logic, Firebase connection, and dynamic function of journal.is come together. Through this, our website becomes fully interactive, allowing users to write, edit, delete, and filters their journal entries while everything is stored securely in real time through Firebase. This marks completion of our project presentation, and thank you for watching.